What's up, guys? Today I decided I was going to take a midday fishing trip to the James River. I'm down here at the Shelvin Rock access. And I just caught my first fish. I'm out here flying solo, so I had to paddle upstream about half a mile. It's been a good day so far. Just a little guy. Got another one. Whoa, it's red. Oh man, biting good today.